Good morning, students. Today's lecture focuses on preservation of milk at farm level. Milk is a highly perishable biological fluid. Its quality begins to deteriorate immediately after milking. Therefore, understanding preservation techniques at the farm is critical for maintaining quality from farm to processing. In this session, we will analyze spoilage mechanisms, microbial growth, temperature control, and practical preservation strategies. Preservation of milk at farm level. Let us first understand the need for preservation of milk at farm level. The first reason is perishability. Milk contains nutrients that support rapid microbial growth. The second reason is safety. Without preservation, pathogenic organisms may multiply. The third reason is value. Quality deterioration reduces economic returns to farmers. The fourth reason is market access. Proper preservation allows milk to reach distant processing plants. Therefore, preservation ensures safety, value, and marketability. Milk spoilage occurs due to four major causes. First, microbes. Bacteria multiply rapidly in warm milk. Second, enzymes. Microbial and native enzymes degrade proteins and fats. Third, contamination. Improper handling introduces additional microorganisms. Fourth, heat abuse. High temperature accelerates microbial activity. This cause-effect chain explains why immediate preservation is necessary. The diagram on this slide illustrates microbial growth in raw milk. We observe four phases: lag phase, exponential phase, stationary phase, and death phase. During the lag or exponential phase, bacterial count increases rapidly. Psychrotrophs and coliforms are particularly important. Their population increases with rising temperature. Importantly, bacterial count increases with temperature. This is why temperature control becomes the primary preservation tool. Milk deterioration depends on four major factors. Temperature is the most critical. Higher temperature accelerates microbial growth. Time is equally important. Longer holding time increases bacterial count. Initial microbial load determines spoilage speed. Poor hygiene practices increase initial contamination. Finally, hygiene practices influence overall quality. These four variables together determine milk stability. Short-term preservation methods include four main strategies. First, rapid cooling. Reducing temperature slows bacterial multiplication. Second, sanitary milking. Clean practices reduce initial microbial load. Third, filtration. This removes visible contaminants. Fourth, LPS system where permitted. Lactoperoxidase system temporarily inhibits microbial growth. However, refrigeration remains the most reliable method. This slide demonstrates the role of temperature control. The graph shows that bacterial growth rate increases exponentially as storage temperature rises. The target temperature is less than or equal to 4 degrees Celsius. Temperature spikes must be avoided. Even brief increases can accelerate growth. Regular thermometer checks are necessary to ensure consistent cold storage. Temperature control is the backbone of preservation. Delay between milking and processing significantly affects quality. As time increases, milk quality decreases. Acidity rises due to lactose fermentation. Off flavors develop due to microbial metabolism. Therefore, minimizing delay is critical. Time management is as important as temperature control. The importance of rapid cooling is clearly shown here. First stage, reduce temperature from 37 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius within the first hour. Second stage, further reduce from 10 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius in the next hour. Third stage, maintain temperature below 4 degrees Celsius continuously. This staged cooling strategy preserves microbial quality. Preservation in tropical regions presents additional challenges. High ambient temperature accelerates spoilage. Power gaps interrupt refrigeration. Limited water supply affects cleaning and sanitation. Long transportation routes extend holding time. These constraints demand robust cooling and logistics systems. This slide provides a visual summary of farm-level preservation. Hygiene prevents contamination. Rapid cooling reduces temperature to 4 degrees Celsius within 2 hours. Cold hold maintains milk below 4 degrees Celsius. Quick dispatch ensures minimal delay before processing. These 4 pillars ensure quality retention. To conclude, preservation of milk at farm level is the first critical control point in the dairy value chain. Temperature, time, hygiene, and quick dispatch must be scientifically managed. Remember, once quality is lost at farm level, it cannot be restored at the processing plant. Thank you.